Nokia 5310 feature phone with dual front speakers, FM radio launched. Price, specifications. Nokia 5310 feature phone was launched on Thursday by the Nokia mobile brand licensee HMD Global at an online event. The 2G Nokia 5310 phone, which is inspired by the original Nokia 5310 XpressMusic, was unveiled along with the company's first 5G smartphone, the Nokia 8.3 5G. Nokia 5310 feature phone price. At the time Nokia released the Nokia 5310 XpressMusic in 2007, the phone came in black/red and black/blue color options with 3 physical buttons present near the left side of the screen. The new Nokia 5310, however, comes in white/red and black/red color options minus the physical buttons near the screen. Nokia 5310 feature specifications. Nokia 5310 comes with several upgrades, however, HMD Global stresses that the phone is specifically designed for music lovers, like its predecessor. The 2G feature phone comes with 2.4-inch QVGA display with dual front-facing speakers and physical keypad. The phone also comes in dual SIM and single SIM options that support a mini SIM. Nokia 5310 is powered by MediaTek MT6260 SoC and has 8MB RAM. The phone runs on Nokia Series 30 Plus software and has an internal storage of 16MB that is expandable up to 32GB via microSD card. There's a 1200 mAh removable battery, talk time up to 7.5 hours on both the single SIM and dual SIM units. Nokia 5310 has a VGA camera with flash on the rear and supports features such as MP3 player and FM radio. The measures 123.7 by 52.4 by 13.1 mm and weighs 88.2 grams.
Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.